Camera boy. We got Graves over there. Then we got Patterson. The heck is going on here? They got someone with the car here. What's he doing? What's going on? What's going on here? Does he has a kid? Was he trespassing on Santa Fe property? I know they got someone back there. He's inside the unit, but I didn't want to do a jaywalk. They're Parnas. He does the ID hand signal there. Oh, he has a kid. Is that kid dead? So his gun has a number there. 288. I know Graves on the other side over there. I don't know what the heck is he doing over there, but I know he's questioning someone. What's wrong with the world today? So now I haven't been using my my microphone because it's been giving some weird noise. I think since that guy hit my microphone, so I think I'm gonna add that up to the lawsuit I'm gonna put against the Certis guy. I already got the police report on it, so he's gonna. Well, anyways, he's gonna have to pay me good money, so it's gonna be in there. So. Mr. Holzabor. The heck is that, a knife? I like his taser gun. So you guys know that if you want to have a taser like that deploys darts like the police, you have to get tased in order for you to get a license. And I think the license, it's a 1-year license, so you have to get a renew every year. If I'm not mistaken, that's how it works in California. I'm just been a little afraid to get tased. He's using the phone now. It's against their policy to be using their phone. Is he using his phone over there? Nah, he's just questioning someone over there. children there. He has like a bag with clothing there on the side, I'm assuming. I wonder if the kid is dead. Not sure about that, but they want to grab pictures of it. So I'm assuming Graves already radio back there that I'm here, so they call him. Yeah, she's saying about down the street something. Questioning someone. Look, he even has the lock removed from his gun. I need me one of those holsters with the lock. Actually, this one has 2. Some of them have 3. So the one that goes on top, that clips, then that one that goes like on top as well. So right now I have to go pick up my public records. Then my new resolution for 2020 is subpoena whenever they deny my public records. I can hear people ordering in Sonic right now. Watch out, it's $5 they're gonna take a picture of him. Do they jerk off to those pictures or something? I told you. Someone owes me $5 now. Are they even supposed to be taking a picture of a minor? I'm gonna have to review their policy. I don't know about the minor part. Man, people bend over so easy. So if that would have been me taking a picture of the kid, they would have been tripping. Oh, you're a child molester. But now, since it's a cop, it's okay. They can do so. That's it. Graves still over there, blah blah. razor blade. Then he cut his pee-pee. I'm gonna start printing the policy. I know I read it last time about photographs when they take pictures of the people. But he messed up because he consent to it. He talks too much. Or at least the kid is not dead. Well, this guy's better hurry because I need to go to the restroom. Graves still over there. Oh, Graves on the phone. Yeah, he was on the phone. That guy, I'm waiting to get that guy on chewing tobacco on the clock. He's not supposed to be chewing tobacco on the clock. I got Thomas videos that I gotta go back through, and then they're just holding him down while the other person over there gets flipped. His phone again, pulling it out, I guess. But this is one of the longest stop ever. He should charge you per minute. I see what he was doing. There's like a thought he was actually crossing the yeah, because if you actually cross the railroad, that's there. Told you guys that's trespassing there. If you walk on top of the there's an ambulance coming now. Let me see what happened. Let me go to my app to see what's going on. I know there was one. It doesn't tell me. They're gonna take him or what? Talk too much. Having a headache? They have someone in the back over there, probably fighting or something. Maybe a 415. I think he crossed the railroads. I don't want to make assumptions because they get butt here. heck is that? Is that his gun? Oh no, that's his radio. Oh, that's a cool little radio. Now his radio's not working. He went to the private ones. Storm. That's his name. The new officer's name is Storm. Damn, it's gonna be a storm here at least. Okay.
Where'd you get that car?
Woo! When I won my lawsuit last year.
Oh yeah? If you don't mind my asking.
Someone stepped on my ingrown toenail and he messed me up, so I charged him for that. Yeah, and then I'm suing the CHP for $500,000 right now.
Yeah?
Yep.
Can I ask what for?
Because they falsely arrested me.
When'd that happen?
Like September 6th.
So,
Last year.
4 months ago?
Huh?
Just September of 2019?
Last 19, yeah. Yeah, so it's still in process.
How long is that gonna take you?
Well, if they want to settle for a good amount of money, then it's gonna take me like less than a year. But if they want to go to the federal court, then
Yeah.
it's gonna take like a year or two.
Can I ask what they arrested you for?
Nothing. Like they didn't even charge me. They falsely arrested me. So they didn't charge me with.
Charge you with anything?
Nah. So the good thing they didn't charge me is I don't have to get a defense lawyer first to get my charges dropped and then get a civil rights attorney. Since they didn't charge me, nothing appears on my record. I just need a civil rights attorney, which I had him. So, nah, they.
Good luck with that.
Thank you, man. We'll go eat after that.
I would say, so if you win like close to $500,000, you still gonna be driving that?
Now, I was actually thinking about getting a Tesla this year instead of that one, but they didn't let me because of my credit. And they say that YouTube money fluctuates, so they didn't want to give it to me. But that was my intention to get a Tesla, because I don't think no one in Shafter has a Tesla.
Well, there's a few people.
There's a few people. I've seen one.
Parked over at what is it, the Ford Theater or whatever.
3 weeks ago, I saw a Tesla, so I was like, man, someone beat me. But I wanted to be the first one I got.
You still be in the top 5?
Yeah.
Top 3, whatever.
Hopefully, yeah. But I'm trying to get the truck. When they come out, I'm going to get the truck. That's
the
what.
one with the indestructible glass?
Supposedly.
That broke?
Well, I'm thinking about getting a back plate for my truck. In case I get shot, I have a protection in my back. Yeah. Because you guys have that as well in your vehicles.
What's that?
You guys have a plate in the back of your vehicles. Well, do you remember?
You just have the metal cage that's in between us, but it's not ballistic.
Do you remember? He used to work. Well, he used to be a friend of mine. Now because he doesn't like me because I do this. But he showed me his unit. He used to go to my house and visit me in his unit. So and then he showed me the unit.
He could go out and buy his own and put it in there.
Well, he had one.
Okay.
He had one.
I thought you meant like maybe ours came standard with it. They don't come.
Oh, I thought. Well, he told me that yours came with that, with the plate in the back of it. So, and I don't know. But yeah, he showed me his unit. So we used to be cool buddies, but now I guess he got fired because I do this. Dude, I have so many friends that I used to go to college with, because I was taking criminal justice as well.
Yeah.
Now they're sheriffs, now they're cops, and blah blah. And they don't even talk to me. They try to troll me, but little they know I don't care about being trolled. Yeah. Hey, so 2 questions or 2 things. I saw you using your phone. Was your radio not working?
My phone?
Yeah.
No, because my partner was calling me.
Oh yeah, because I mean the policy states that whenever your radio is working, you are supposed to use your.
Yeah, but we have some conversations that don't go over the radio.
Yeah, because I look up the policy and it states that you guys are.
No, we're not supposed to avoid using the radio to put information out between one another.
Okay.
That needs to be pertained to everybody. But he's calling me with questions and stuff, so I'm answering those questions.
Well, I'm gonna review it because last time I read it, but I'm not sure. Anyways, secondly, was there a crime being committed here or something?
Allegedly, but
Allegedly?
investigation is revealed that nothing took place.
Okay, yeah, because when you take photographs, you're supposed to know when to actually take them. and then it has to actually be a crime being committed. It has to be used for evidence, because now the picture is gonna go into his file and it's gonna be there at the police department for a year.
It'll be documented in the police report for the incident.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I thought it was just for crimes, but I think
no,
it was like at 1 in the morning when I was reading the policy. So I guess I'm gonna read it with the fresh head. I just want to make sure.
If we're going to document an incident on a police report,
okay,
and we need to take pictures and stuff to show either that the crime did happen, or we're also trying to show that the crime did not happen.
Okay.
That way we can prove it.
Yeah, because I was reading that. I just want to make sure, because I've been going through your guys' policy. Because last time when we got pulled over,
a lot of pages, huh?
Yeah, a lot. Tell me about it, man. Do you guys even have the First Amendment? And have you guys read that one? The First Amendment?
In the policy?
Policy? It's there. I read it.
The policy covers like everything.
Like, man, that was awesome. But the only thing I don't like is whenever, let's say you shoot someone, for example. So it states on the policy that you guys have to take away my footage or confiscate my footage. So it doesn't actually work that way. You guys are actually supposed to get a court order. And actually, me, by law, if I witness you guys shooting someone, well, even if it's good or bad, you guys are supposed to get my information, and then I have to release that footage, and I have to be present when you guys are downloading my footage onto your computers or whatever you guys are.
Really? Oh, because I know there's a case law that just got made. Somebody sees somebody's dash cam on I want to say it's like a fatal hit and run or traffic accident, reckless driving, street racing thing, and they try to sue them for like the unlawful seizure of the dash cam.
Yeah.
But because it's a dash cam, and by the time you go get a search warrant, all that other stuff, it can easily be disappear and all that. So,
but you can charge that person.
I thought they let that stand, that it was okay to seize it, because as long as you don't search it, you seize it, you hold on to it, then you write your search warrant, and you get the okay, then you go to search.
You're supposed to get the search warrant, and actually there's different type of search warrants. There's a digital one, arrest warrant, search warrant, and I learned just that because I'm on my second semester for pre-law student in Fresno State.
All right.
So I'm actually trying to be a lawyer now, civil rights attorney.
That'll be cool.
So yeah, man. And soon you guys are gonna see me as a city council member in like 4 years.
Yeah.
That's my mission, man.
All right.
Yeah. So behave, because when I become a city council, the party's gonna be over for some people here.
Are you gonna have to move within the actual city limits?
That's a good question. I think I heard something about that, but I'm not sure.
Or is it just based off like the voting districts?
Well, you asked me a good question. I know I read about it, but I'm not sure about it. So I'm gonna look that up. Yeah. So if I had to move, I'm gonna have to move. I don't mind. I mean, the closer is better.
You won't have to move very far.
Yeah. I mean, it takes me like 5 minutes to 10 minutes to get to calls, because I have my radio, so sometimes I listen to you guys and then I show up late. Yeah. Like for example, in this case, I was in Gulfland Road in Santa Fe when I heard a call. Yeah. So it took me like 7 minutes to get here. So that kills time.
Yeah.
People will be dead by when I show up already. So I'm gonna miss the action.
Hope not.
Well, hey, have a good one then. All right, later. This is it.